Perched high on the hills of Sintra, Castle of the Moors commands breathtaking views over forests, valleys, and the Atlantic coastline. Built along the rugged ridgeline of the Serra de Sintra, the fortress remains one of Portugal's most iconic reminders of its medieval past. The castle was constructed during the 8th and 9th centuries by the Moors, who occupied much of the Iberian Peninsula. Its strategic hilltop position allowed defenders to monitor the surrounding countryside and protect important routes leading toward Lisbon. The fortress consisted of massive stone walls, watchtowers, gates and battlements that followed the natural contours of the mountain. Rather than serving as a royal residence, the castle functioned primarily as a military stronghold, guarding the region during centuries of conflict between Muslim and Christian kingdoms. In 1147, during the Christian Reconquista, the castle was captured by the forces of King Afonso I after the fall of Lisbon. Over the following centuries, its military importance gradually declined, and the fortress was eventually abandoned, leaving nature to reclaim much of the site. Centuries later, during the Romantic movement of the 19th century, King Ferdinand II recognised the castle's historical significance and ordered conservation work. His efforts preserved the medieval walls and integrated the fortress into the remarkable cultural landscape that makes Sintra one of Europe's most celebrated historic destinations. About 450 metres from the Moorish Castle stands Pena Palace, one of Portugal's most famous romantic palaces. Together they crown the hills of Sintra, yet the Moorish Castle remains the enduring symbol of the region's medieval origins.